Is your iPhone acting strange, laggy, or glitchy? Before spending hours troubleshooting, try these 3 simple fixes first. In today's video, I'll show you how to solve the most common iPhone problems in just minutes. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first step is to tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle the option off for content and privacy restrictions. Next, tap the back button. Tap on Back again and scroll up to tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Update your iOS software to the latest version. Then, go to your App Store. Tap on the profile icon on the top right. Tap on Apps. Then run through the list of your apps and update the apps accordingly. The last step is to do a forced restart of your phone. On the left of the phone, press the volume up button, volume down button, and then press and hold the power button on the right side of the phone until the screen goes off. Wait for the Apple logo to come back on, and once your home screen comes back on, your phone has properly restarted. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other 2 videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.